Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the basics, VS Code and Live Server. Open the project folder in the editor and create index. HTML now, this puts the code in one place. Once done, set the file language to HTML so Emmet expands tags, type, then press tab to scaffold a starter document instantly. Make sure to save often. Saving enables Live Server to reload. These first actions get you editing and previewing quickly, which matters more than tweaking themes. Now build the page structure using semantic tags to keep markup clear and accessible. You will thank yourself later when styling. Once you've added header, main, and footer, link a CSS file with a relative path and include a script tag at the end of body for JS. Then, right-click Index. HTML and choose Open with Live Server to see changes instantly. Live Server auto-reloads so you can tweak styles and confirm layout quickly, which speeds learning and debugging. Finish by organizing and formatting. Run the formatter to keep HTML readable and enable autosave if you want immediate backups. Once your page looks right, open Browser DevTools to inspect elements and read console errors. This shows why things misalign or scripts fail. If Live Server doesn't load, try a different port or disable a firewall blocking localhost. These fixes solve most preview problems. Finally, make small iterative changes and refresh. Steady testing prevents big regressions and builds confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.